You will become mentally strong if you do this. Stop the victim mindset. Hold yourself accountable before Allah holds you accountable for your actions. Number 2. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Seek strength from Allah. Stop avoiding change. Embrace change and seek guidance from Allah. Allah will not change your condition till you do. Number 4. Stop being a people pleaser. Please the Creator, not the creation. Number 5. Stop fearing failure. Tie your camel first and trust Allah. Number 6. Stop dwelling on the past. Seek forgiveness from Allah and focus on the present. Number 7. Stop making the same mistakes over and over again. Learn from past mistakes through repentance and seeking Allah's guidance. Number 8. Stop trying to be like someone else. Number 9. Stop following the crowd. Follow the teachings of Islam and the Quran and Sunnah, not societal norms. Number 9. Stop winning about what you can't control. Trust in Allah's wisdom and take proactive steps within your control. Last but not the least, number 10. Stop feeling entitled to success. We only deserve what we fight for. Understand success is granted by Allah. So work hard. But before you seek for worldly success, perform your obligatory prayer. So this is all this video is about. These are the 10 points to become mentally strong. If you follow this, I believe that you can overcome your overthinking and build your strong mentality. Thank you.